सर आप अपने फोन में कवर नहीं डालोगे?
I'm very sorry, I don't like taking the cold.
Dude, take a photo.
No problem, let it break. I know you're gonna give me a very good one.
Oh.
You will give me a Mac or iOS.
I will give you iPhone 11 Pro.
Thank you very much.
No iPhone.
So now you see what is happening. There is a glowing agarbatti inside. And what is happening, Chaman? Tell me. What is happening inside? Let's go a bit closer and see. So still the agarbatti is glowing. How it is glowing? Because the heat energy.
Sir, candle ला दो.
And it is also getting because of the heat energy associated with it, and it is combining with oxygen from the air. Very good, very good. When the oxygen will finish it up, and inside we are having what? The fragrance, smoke that contains carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a supporter of burning or not? Not at all. Carbon dioxide doesn't support burning, but oxygen supports burning. So this thing, hopefully we will see the entire air inside that glass is what? Mixture of carbon dioxide and smoke, and also there is fragrance. So there must be some molecules of fragrance, है ना? फ्रेगरेंस जो होता है उसका मॉलिक्यूल्स भी होना चाहिए अंदर में, है ना? और ये जल रहा है, बुझ गया? बताओ। पक्का बुझ चुका है। ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गया अंदर का। तो मतलब उसके अंदर क्या हुआ? भितरे कौन थिला? ऑक्सीजन। ताको ओडिया रे कौन कहती? अम्लजान। अम्लजान सरीगला, आउ जड़िला परे कौन भितरे आसिला? अंगार कामड़, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। अंगार कामड़ भितरे से कौन करुछि? आग को क्या बोलते उड़िया में? आग, फायर, अग्नि को जलने नहीं देता, बुझा देता है, ठीक है? एंड ऑक्सीजन क्या करता है? जलाने में सपोर्ट्स इन बर्निंग, ठीक है? सो व्हाट वी विल डू राइट नाउ?
उसको उठा के देखेंगे।
यस ज़ैनब, प्लीज please. Now you see the air in the atmosphere. Okay, and the extinguished stick over here. Thank you very much.